Let's bring you more on the battle for Bihar. A big political pitch is going on. Time just hours before the Prime Minister's women outreach with women in the NDA slated for today afternoon, Tejasvi Yadav has dropped a bold promise, and he is putting women at the center of it. The RJD leader says if the government comes to power, every woman in the state will receive 30,000 rupees in one go under a scheme he calls the Mai Behan Yojana. The money, he says, will land directly in bank accounts on January 14th, Makar Sankranti, a date chosen very deliberately and very publicly. And that's not all. Tejasvi has also reached out to a crucial workforce, the government employees. He promises that postings will be limited to within 70 kilometers of their home district, a long-standing demand and a move aimed at winning over lakhs of staff and also their families.
माँ बहन मान योजना के तहत मकर संक्रांति को हमारी सरकार बनते ही 14 जनवरी को एक साल का यानी 30,000 रुपया डायरेक्ट उनके खाते में हम लोग डालेंगे। चाहे पुलिस के हो या स्वास्थ्यकर्मी हो या शिक्षकों हो, उन सब का जो है होम कैडर से 70 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में ही ट्रांसफर पोस्टिंग हम लोग कराएंगे।
So that's about the very crucial development coming in from battleground Bihar, just hours before Prime Minister's women outreach for the women who are part of NDA, which is also slated for today afternoon. Tejasvi Yadav has dropped this mega bomb targeting the women voters. In a bid to woo them, the RJD leader has promised that if he is brought to power, then every woman of the state will receive 30,000 lump sum under Mai Behan Yojana on Makar Sankranti, which is on 14th of January 2026. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live straight from Battleground. Sabyasachi, you have spoken to people there. First up, let's tell our viewers what the wave of Bihar is suggesting. Where is the inclination?
So far the battle is intense between the NDA and the Mahagathbandhan because both the political parties have tried their best to reach out to the people of Bihar with their guarantees in the form of manifesto. Now Tejasvi Yadav, just 1 day is left for the campaigning to over, and on 6th is the first phase of poll, and Tejasvi Yadav have issued a huge guarantee for the women and sisters in the state of Bihar, assuring that each year during Makar Sankranti, in fact 30,000 amount will be deposited in the account of every woman in the state of Bihar. In fact, the Mahagathbandhan is extremely confident that they are going to form the government, and that is the reason why in today's press conference Tejasvi Yadav in fact announced that on 14 when the result will come out for the Bihar polls, and immediately after 4 days the government will be formed, and once the government will be formed, the guarantees which has been assured to the people of Bihar in the manifesto of Mahagathbandhan, that is Tejasvi's Pran. Now under these manifesto, Tejasvi Yadav earlier had guaranteed that every single household will get a government job in the state of Bihar, after which a lot of the NDA leaders in fact have raised questions on this particular guarantee, stating that it is not feasible, it is not possible, and this is one of the kind of hawabazi that has been coming from Tejasvi Yadav. Meanwhile, Tejasvi Yadav also assured that the farmers in the state of Bihar will get free electricity. In fact, he also assured that the NDA government used to charge 30 paise per unit, but once the Mahagathbandhan will form the government, India Bloc will form the government, this charge will also be free of cost. And he also assured that the Rojgar, the Vyapar Mandal as well as the PSEs will get the status of public representative, is another assurement that has come in from Tejasvi Yadav today. Meanwhile, the battle is intensified as far as the India Bloc is concerned and the NDA is concerned, because top leaders from both the alliance have been on ground, have been campaigning day and night, and Tejasvi Yadav in one single day have been holding public address around 17 to 18 public addresses per day. So this clearly clearly shows that the India bloc is backing behind Tejaswi Yadav, and Tejaswi Yadav is the face of the Mahagathbandhan as far as the India bloc is concerned. And the battle is intense because right from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Home Minister Amit Shah to Rajnath Singh, all of them were on ground visiting different places, connecting to people. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also have assured a lot of assurance to the people of Bihar, stating that the economically backward class people are the top priority of the NDA government. Meanwhile, the Tejaswi Yadav as well as Mr. Rahul Gandhi also assured in the manifesto that several guarantees will be given to the backward classes people, and that would be a top priority as far as the India bloc is concerned. In fact, Tejaswi Yadav in the past has assured a raise in the reservation system as well. He has given this assurance time and again. So we have to wait and see how the people of Bihar have taken all these guarantees from the NDA as well as the India bloc, because the first phase of the Bihar poll is just 2 days left.
Sabyasachi, speaking of the ground sentiment at the moment, since you have already spoken to people, you have had multiple Chaupals since yesterday there in Patna itself. I want to understand from you, looking at the guarantee promises, the manifesto war which is also going on between both the alliances, be it the Mahagathbandhan or the NDA, which one has successfully touched upon the grievances that, the current Bihar, the Naya Bihar is facing at the moment?
Well, see, yesterday we have spoken with a lot of people in the Marine Drive area, which is kind of a hotspot as far as Patna is concerned, because a lot of the young crowd were present in this area. Now, the focus of both the NDA as well as the India bloc are on the youth. In fact, Tejaswi Yadav has said that every people from every single household in the state will get a government job. In fact, the NDA, on the other hand, has assured that 1 crore people will get a job in the state of Bihar. But the youth says that definitely there is development in the state of Bihar comparatively to the previous regime. In fact, they pointed out that the way we are sitting here at Marine Drive, it is around 8 p.m., 9 p.m. time. Earlier, it was not possible because of the law and order situation. Now, there has been instances in the city of Patna itself which has raised a lot of question as far as the law and order situation is concerned, because these incidents happened very close to the VIP area where the residence of Nitish Kumar is, where the residence of Tejaswi Yadav and Lalu Prasad Yadav is. But the people of Patna says that the law and order situation has become better. That is the reason why people out in Patna could visit in the market late in the night without worrying about any law and order situation. So such sentiments have definitely reached could be seen on the ground, but people have raised a question as far as the migration and job opportunities of the youth is concerned, because a lot of the people from Bihar has to travel to different states for job opportunities. So that particular question has been raised by a lot of people, that proper industries needs to be set up in the state of Bihar, so that people do not migrate from their home state and go to other states in search of work.